Guys, it's Amali here. Today I have one Littlest Petshop blind bag and a bunch of hair ties with a surprise in them. Now, my mom made the hair tie thingy and she bought this. So I'll get my scissors and then let's cut open this. Oh yeah, I forgot this. Oh. So there's a sparkly poodle right there, a frog, a dog, a cat, a penguin, I think a squirrel, another cat, and a ladybug. So I want the sparkly poodle. I don't know about you guys, but comment who you want in the comments below. Oh my god, guys, guess what? We got the sparkly poodle! She is so sparkly and cute. She comes with this little beret from, I guess, Perry. Let's see here. Looks super adorable. Let's see if you guys can see that. Okay. So she's super cute. And here's the checklist. Now, she doesn't say their names, but she is rare. She is one of the rarest ones. Her number is 3975 out of 700. Wait, what? I'm not going to get too into that. So, here, I'll give you guys a good look of the checklist. And comment which one your favorite is. So, I wonder if she has a name or not. And she also comes with this little thing she can sit or stand in. And she is super cute. So, let's not forget about the hairbands. I'll just throw this stuff away. And let's cut open the hairbands. Okay, I'm going to cut open this. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, let's open this stuff. We got a Littlest Petshop, and let's first open these sparkly ones too. Okay, so we got Parker Waddleson, and he is such an adorable penguin. And here are the two Littlest Petshops that we got. So I hope you guys like this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys like this video. I mean, I would like it. Or subscribe to my own channel. Ginger, get down. She's a very curious cat. Stay on the bed. Bye, guys. Love you guys. And thank you for watching this video. Bye, guys.